welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this video, I'm going to show you how to use the 4-figure log table to find out the sine and cos ratio. But before that, you must understand 1 degree is actually equals to 60 minutes with a prime. Okay, 1 degree, 60 minutes. So if I were to have 55.35 degrees, and how many minutes would it be? Now first, you can use a calculator to convert, of course. Okay, so let you know how to do that. Let's say you press degree, this button, and then you press equal, and it will be 55 degree, 21 minutes. That's 55.35 degrees. Now how to do it mathematically in terms of algebra? How to do that? So 55 degree, then 0.35 you times 60. That is going to convert that 0.35 into minute. So it's 55 degree, 21 minutes. Now this is how to get angle and minute, right? So you need this. You need this in order to use a 4-figure logbook to find out the sine and cos ratio. So I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, say for example, if I want to find out what is sine 55 degrees, 21 minutes, you can do that easily with a calculator, of course. Then I'm going to show you how not to use it. Now, so let's find out what's the actual value. Sine 55 degrees, 21 minutes. You press that button, meaning minute, and make sure you're setting calculator's degree. You press equal, and that's the answer. So it's 0.8226, right? So 4 figures. So I'm going to write down the answer, 0.8226, right? So that's the ratio for sine 55 degree, 21 minutes. Now, this is actually the table. I just copied the table. So let's find out what is sine 55 degree, 21 minutes. Okay, so it will be more accurate if you use degree and minute for any 4-figure logbook or log table. So you look for the sine table, and on the left column, okay, the sine table. Now for sine table by default is actually addition. You need to add numbers. So on the left column is the angle 55, 56, 57. Look for 55 degree, and then 21 minutes. 21 minutes. You can't find it here up here, but you can use 18 minutes. 18 minutes, then plus 3 minutes equals to 21 minutes, right? So the answer has to be the number on the left here plus the number over here. Okay, you just add the last digit. So the number is actually 0 point, because not enough space, so they didn't write the 0 point. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, 0 point, write down, goes to 0.8221. Then you must add, right? Add the digit for, you add 3 minutes. It's the number, its corresponding number is actually, you need to add 5, okay, to the last digit. So you add it up, the answer will be 0.8226, right? That's the answer, which I've shown you by using a calculator earlier, isn't it? Now, so I'm showing you how to look for this value without the calculator. So if you have this ratio, you can actually find the sine value as well. Okay, so that's for sine. Now, how about cos? Now, cos will be slightly different. Okay, cos, let's say 35 degrees for the 45 minutes, for example. So if I use a calculator, make sure the calculator is set to degree. So press cos 35 degree, there's a degree, and 45 minutes. The answer is 0.8116, right? It's correct up to 4 decimal place. So I know this is the correct answer. I'm going to show you how I'm going to use a table. Now this is a table for cos. So I want to use a table to find cos 35 degrees, 45 minutes. How am I going to do it? First, look for the cos table in the logbook. Cos. Now, cos by default is actually subtraction. You need to do a subtraction, but it's not subtract all the number. Okay, let me show you how to make it work. So look for 35 degree on the left column, and then 45 minutes. You can't find 45 minutes here. So what you need to do, you use this number, and then you subtract the other number. So 48 subtract by 3, it's 45 minutes, isn't it? So the corresponding number is this number on the left, but you don't subtract now, you add. Okay? Because just now I subtract the number. Or, no, just now I actually add the number, isn't it? So now I subtract the number. So I use this number, 0.8121. Okay? So that's the number, corresponding number. I subtract 3. So subtract 5. Okay? So therefore you get the answer to be 0.8116, which is the answer. Okay? So maybe you pause this video, rewind, you look at the idea, the logic, how does it work? Right? So the opposite is correct. Let's say if I were to have what's the inverse cos for 0.8116? So 0.8116, 116 somewhere here and here, right? This number plus this number, it's 0.8116, right? You add these two numbers, then you need to subtract. Yeah, subtract a minute. You still get the same answer. So the rule for cosine is, if you add the number, remember to add the number first, then you subtract the corresponding number. And therefore you get 35 minutes. And then this number, 48, subtract 3 is 45 minutes. So this is how to use the cosine table in logbook. I hope this video helps you. Remember, subscribe to the channel for more upcoming video. Bye bye.